Bitcoin price went up as I predicted in my last video. The question right now is, will we see much higher price levels soon, or will we get a rejection from this resistance line here and go back lower again, guys? So first of all, let's make some recap, guys. I said in the last video yesterday, the RSI is in the oversold territory, so I expect a pump. Yeah, and exactly this is what happened. Let me also show my trade over here. As you can see here, I entered the long trade at much lower price levels, but I took some profits and then I scaled it up again. So my entry price as of right now is at 56.699k, as you can see. So a nice profit. Hope you also took the trade, guys. So let's talk about what is going on right now. First of all, I said once we break this, this line here acting as resistance, you can enter a long position, guys. I hope you did it, because if you followed my advice, so to say, but always no financial advice, always do your own research, then you have a profit of around 5%, guys. Okay, so what's also interesting, tomorrow the Fed will announce their rate decision, and they're expected to cut the rates for the first time in 4 years, as you can see here. The Fed is set to cut rates for the first time in 4 years. What does it mean for your money? Basically, you always have to know, if the interest rate gets lower, then money is cheaper, so it's good for the economy, which should also be good for Bitcoin. As you can see here, we have this prediction here. As you can see, for at the moment we have 5.5% we have at the moment, and the prediction is that they will cut the rates for 0.5% for the first time in 4 years, guys. So let's go back to this here. As you can see here, we pumped exactly up to this resistance line here at 61.2k around, and also in perfect confluence with this yellow line here, which was previous support. Then we broke below it, and previous support turns into resistance, exactly as it works the other round. Previous resistance will work as support. So as you can see here, perfect confluence, the RSI is in the overbought territory, and we are reaching 2 resistance levels. So what I could expect right now is some kind of, let's say, cool down phase. Maybe we go lower as to reach price level of 60.1k, and then when the rate decision will be announced tomorrow, I expect the Fed will cut the rates, and then I guess we will see another pump, at least, let's say, to this resistance line at around 61.6k. And then if you break even above this line, then the next bigger, that's not so far away, this resistance would be at 62.1k, and then the next bigger one at around, let's go up here, at around 64k, guys. Okay, let's also talk about Ethereum. So same scenario. Basically, I said once we break this yellow line, which is, or was previous resistance, I said you can enter long trade. Hope you did so, guys, because then you are in a profit of around, let's say, also almost 5%, guys. So a nice trade. Also, same scenario. You can see we perfectly tested this line here acting as resistance. The RSI is in the overbought territory, so I expect some kind of cool down phase. Maybe go a little bit lower to $2,300, for example, and then I also expect a pump when the Fed will cut the rates, guys. Okay, so if you also want to trade, check the links down in the description. You will always get the highest available bonuses. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.